gonna do a fugue. So first we start with, I'm gonna bring in my instruments. I'm using Opus by EastWest. Add some voices. Start with that one. And then let's add this one. So I'm gonna add a delay. I'm gonna add shaper box, a filter. Let's hook up my keyboard. I'm gonna add HY set collection. All right, and then I want to random this puppy. I'll just hit the random button here a few times and see what happens. Let's add a few more patterns. Pattern number 3. Okay, and so let's go ahead and add that. So 5, 6 patterns. Those will be 1, 12, 2, 12, and then 3, 12. All right, very good. So we got our starting sequence here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and then paste it. So I'm going to change the channel and so we can add the voices. So it's going to be channel 2. Change the clock to 1/8. Start there. Copy the piano again and then paste it. Now I'm going to do channel 3. We'll go backwards and forwards. Let's see what that gets us. And let's go ahead and copy it.
A few moments later.
We have the hiccups. It's my masterful work. We call Opus of the Hiccups.